When your AC stops working, just call the experts at KS Services Heating and Air. They're fast and affordable. Right now, purchase any Bryant energy efficient system and save with 0% interest for 60 months with approved credit. It comes included with a 5-year labor warranty. And our fair price guarantee means that we will always give you 3 quotes for every situation. A good, better, and best. Call KS Services Heating and Air today. We roll on, whatever it takes.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Monday, October 2nd. I'm James Spann. The pattern stays pretty quiet this week. Maybe a touch of light rain in spots today. Tropics not dead yet, and a pretty good cool down looking maybe 7-8 days away. Let's go in there and check things out early this morning. This is the water vapor satellite view. High amplitude pattern again with a new trough in the west and a ridge here in the southeastern states. Got cold and snowy conditions back in the western mountains. Some of the mountains are going to be slammed with snow in coming days. Temperatures this morning in the 60s around here. Fort Payne 61, that's the cool spot. Birmingham at 67. We stay in the 70s today. It's going to be a cool day with an easterly flow. And again, you can see Atlanta sitting at 59 and kind of a cool air damming type effect, a CAD effect with the air coming in from the east that's noticeably cooler today and probably a lot of clouds around. But not much rain. This is the convective outlook for today. Maybe a thunderstorm for southwest Alabama. For the rest of the state, maybe just a few widely scattered showers. A marginal risk of severe weather for parts of the high plains. And again, it's a dry pattern. This is October. This is to be expected. This doesn't necessarily mean some new drought beginning here. Not much rain through Monday of next week. Bigger rains over the southern tip of Florida and well to the north and west. Tropics for now are quiet. Not a named storm in the Atlantic Basin. Hurricane Center watching for potential development over the western Caribbean. This is the 5-day outlook. And more than likely, if anything begins to form down in there, it's going to be pulled to the northeast, maybe affecting the Florida Peninsula, places like that. We'll show a modeling here. In fact, let's look at the GFS. This is the 06E run. This is valid at 1 o'clock this afternoon. This is at 500 millibars. Cold trough in the west, ridging here in the east. And again, we've got this wedge type setup, an easterly flow, a lot of clouds around. You see some green here. There could be a few scattered showers. Highs only in the 70 to 74 degree range today. Parts of East Alabama could stay in the 60s all day, about 10 degrees below average. Here's the high-resolution HRRR at 2 o'clock, and it's not very bullish. And again, the rain today should be very light, very spotty. Some of you might see some, not much. So again, cloudy-ish, cool, breezy today, with highs, again, mostly low to mid-70s. Tomorrow, though, we should go back into the low 80s. The sky should be mostly sunny. This is Wednesday. Pretty much the same deal for the latter half of the week. Highs low to mid-80s. This is Thursday. We're still dry. And Friday, again, sunny, a warm afternoon. We start the day in the low 60s, the high mid-80s. And we note a little 10-10 low developing just west of Key West, Florida, in the Gulf. This is Saturday. That feature moves up into the Florida Peninsula. We're dry as the weekend begins, sunny with mid-80s. And this is Sunday. We're still warm and dry. We'll go to Monday of next week, a week from today, the 9th of October. Deep cold trough moving eastward. And down below that, a surface cold front approaching. But we're still dry here. We'll check the end of the forecast period. This is Wednesday of next week, October the 11th, troughing over the east, ridging over the west. We're noticeably cooler. What is that, a 1037 high coming down from Canada into North Dakota? And look at the temperature anomalies here, middle of next week. We go way below average if this were to verify, which we think it will. Thought I'd show you an animation. This is coming off the European, showing the possibility of tropical mischief. You can see a couple of systems developing in the Gulf, the Northwest Caribbean. They're pulled northeast by that trough. So for now, if anything forms down there, we think it will not affect Alabama. Just something to watch. Temperatures warm this week with low to mid-80s, but you can see that big cool down by mid-month with highs dropping in the 60s and lows dropping in the 40s. Fall fans will love that. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
AC broken? Just call KS Services Heating and Air. All Bryant energy efficient systems come with a 5-year labor warranty, and our fair price guarantee means that we'll always give you 3 quotes for every situation. Just call KS Services Heating and Air today.